Low-key, all of them done they notice. Energy on me, baby, can you make a wish for me?
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. This wig is from U&A Lash Cluster, a scrunchie, pre-cut lace, HD wig caps, 2 hair clips or hair clips. This is why I love U&A. As y'all can see, it is pre-plucked, fresh out of the box. Here's how it looks. It's a C part. Look at it. It's giving natural. The hair is silky soft, y'all. You get 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps to wear it glueless, which is perfect because I'm not gluing this down. You do get 1 strand out of this wig.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know me know me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Love me, I see no way to me, I do the world I've seen. We are nobody who Jehovah. And the Lord that they go far. Who's the bold that they bar? That's how they move the shit. And then I really put you too far. Midnight was that shit.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. I'm with the sky, hold you for life. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you're there by my side. Hold you for life. So tight, coming closer. So tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single
Feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. Are set. Follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Not here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I play your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad bitch bad every day. I know the look of your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? Bad killer, don't be somebody that don't take my energy from your cardula. In my past don't say I be my healer. Everything I desire I go receive my rhythm. Flow like a river. If you get yawa, come on go and sit down. I go just para. Come on my jigger. I go just stay. Follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe. You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do,